Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to make a watercolor painting of pomfret fish. This is one of my favorite fishes to eat, so let's get started. So first I'm going to draw outline of this pomfret fish, and it will take me a million years approximately. And please guys, please pay attention in this stage because the outline is of utmost importance. Now next I'm going to paint the area around the fish with black watercolor paint. This is because the reference photo that I have has the fish on a black plate. So that is why I'm painting the area around the fish in black. And as we proceed in the painting, you will notice that a lot part of the fish is kept white. So in this painting, be very careful when you apply the colors, especially the blues that I'm using here. You have to make sure that you leave enough of whites. Now I have changed my brush and I have taken a 0 number brush because I'm going to paint everything in detail. Like the fish skin is of utmost importance. Now I am painting the eye here, and the eye is fairly simple, but I am taking a lot of water guys here. While painting I am taking a lot of water and less of paint, so that the effect is very smooth and there are no hard edges, since I am painting wet on dry. Now for the fins, I am going to paint it with grays and mixing a little bit of violet in it. As you can see, I'm just going over everything with a light shade of grey with very little paint on my brush. It has started looking like a fish now. You can see the middle portion of the fish is fairly empty and it still is white. I have painted some dots also. Now I am painting those dots on all its body to give it a more realistic look. I've painted a bit of yellow as well because the reference photo had a bit of yellow and a peachy color. I'm now painting the fins again. Now on the second fish I'm going to do the same. First I'm going to draw the outline with a very light gray or a black, you can say. See, I'm just drawing the fins here and I have very little color, because once you paint this you can't unpaint watercolor. That is the biggest problem. So take color very carefully while painting this one, because the white portion will work as the shine that the fish is going to have and it will give it a realistic look. Here I am going over the other one and painting the fins and the area around the eyes and the eye as well. See how simple the eye was. Even you can paint this in watercolors guys. Watercolors are fairly easy to use only if you understand them properly and don't use them carelessly. See, on the right hand side I have my palette. See the amount of paint I have on it. It's minimal right now. I'm using very little paint. Now I'm using a black. This is like a more amount of paint that I have used in this painting for the outlines, because I want to show the shadows. So at the end you will take a lot more paint and let very less amount of water. Now we'll go over both the fishes and we'll draw the shadows, and I'm going to spread the shadows as well with a bigger brush in my next step, so it will give it a realistic look. And see, now they don't look cartoonish. So this is the shadow portion. It will make our watercolor painting look more beautiful. And with this I'm done guys. Thank you.